1690 Revolt in Haarlem after a ban on smoking in public. In 1814, one of the first modern plastic surgeries in the West is performed by Joseph Carpue on a soldier's nose in England using Indian techniques. In 1819, first ship sails through the Erie Canal from Rome, New York, to Utica, New York. In 1854, English newspaper The Times gives precise British positions in Crimea during Crimean War. In 1910, Blanche Scott becomes the first woman to fly at a public event in the US in Fort Wayne, Indiana. In 1915, first National Horseshoe Throwing Championship in Kellerton, Iowa. In 1923, a US patent No. 1,471,465 is issued to American inventor Sebastian Hinton for a playground climbing structure popularly known as Monkey Bars 1. In 1934, Jean Piccard and Jeanette Ridlon attain a record balloon height of 10.9 miles (17.5 km) over Lake Erie. In 1947, husband and wife Cori and Gerty are the first spouses to be awarded joint Nobel Prizes in Physiology or Medicine for their discovery of the catalytic conversion of glycogen, alongside Bernardo Alberto Houssay. In 1956, first video recording on magnetic tape is televised coast to coast. In 1958, Smurfs first appear in the story Johan and Peewit by Belgian cartoonist Peo. In 1964, Time magazine uses the term op art for the first time to describe the optical illusions created by abstract art. In 1970, Gary Gabelich sets an auto speed record of 622.4 mph 1001 km/h. In 1975, nearly all women in Iceland 90 stopped work to protest the gender pay gap and the unequal distribution of unpaid labour, shutting down the country for a day. In 1977, paleontologist Elso Barghoorn announces the discovery of a 3.4 billion-year-old single-celled fossil, one of the earliest life forms on Earth. In 2018, the world's oldest intact shipwreck, an ancient Greek vessel 2,400 years old, is found by archaeologists at the bottom of the Black Sea. In 2018, world's longest sea crossing bridge, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge at 55 km, is opened by Chinese President Xi Jinping. In 2019, Google's research lab claims it achieved quantum supremacy by performing a calculation in 3 minutes that would take a supercomputer 10,000 years.